So, we're doing another live unboxing. This is a surprise unboxing from Amazon. Alright, there's so much stuff from Amazon, I don't know what I'm getting anymore. Yes, I'm wearing the Boneyard shirt. And you got the Bullet Club pajama pants because that's the night the Bullet Club died in the WWE. So there you go. Exclusive right here. So here we go. We don't need no knives like Mr. Rabby's channel. Oh crap. But it's fine. We're gonna rip this open, Hulk Hogan style. So we got the tissue paper, we throw that out of the way. And here we go. We have the ultra soft Charmin. We got that good. I know this stuff sells out in the stores recently, and now they're overstocked because in Canada you only get one per customer. So I pre-ordered these things a month ago, so I finally got my shipment in. You got the mega roll, you got the 16 equals 64. These are the one roll equals 4 rolls. This is like the Gucci of toilet paper right here. There you go, get that big bear right there. And there you go. So I'm pretty much good for a whole month or two or whatever it's gonna take, but there you have it. We have the Charmin Ultra Soft toilet paper. And there you go. That's what we call it, a surprise unboxing, because we don't know what we're gonna get. Yeah!